Okay, so I'm gonna be asking you questions. And kailangan mo lang is like to answer it in a fun way.
Oh my God.
Okay, so ang unang tanong ko lang is like ang unang ko lang tanong is like so far, kamusta? Kamusta yung like having this life, this nakakaibang idol life, and it's okay, answer the question, period. Let's go.
How could I say it? Well, it's very naman. Like, I cannot even imagine this place that I'm in. And it's so nakakaloka sometimes. Like, I did not even expect things. But here I am, and I'm making kwento about the stuff that's happening in here. So, yeah, let's make tusok-tusok, mami, because I'm so gutom na, guys.
What are you gonna make tusok mamaya, huh?
the like, what do you call that? The waffle with egg. What's that? Waffles? I don't know. What's the name of the egg waffles, right? Or like the squiggles.
Oh, I think it's like is it quack quack? I think it's like quack quack.
Oh my God. Diyos ko, nagpapahiya na ako sa 381 viewers.
Kanina pa ako nandito nagaganito.
Kaya tinawag mo sila.
Oo.
5 pagkain na may silog. Maloy.
Hot silog.
Nagsama pa yung dalawang loading kayo na lang.
Wow po. Ako ay isang karangalan na makatanggap ng Chocolate Hills po.
At sa tsokolating burol. Tama yun, ah.
Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung picture na sinundan ko na ipipaint ko na susundan ko.
But I can't do anything to Kuya. Tapos si Kuya nagpagas pa! Nagpagas pa siya! So, mas na-late pa ako! Hindi ko naman pa rin sabihin mag-no kasi baka biglang tumigil yung kotse kasi walang gas, di ba? Bakit hindi siya nagpagas before me?
Unexpected pagkikita natin. Parang may swap.
Ito ako nandito. Hoy, dito ka. Hi. Hoy, ba't ka na dyan?
Guys, may pasabog pa kami. There's some more kasi kung Tagalog yung nagpapapa. There's more kasi napapanood na ng day 1 and day 2 audience yung teaser. They have watched it. The day 1 and day 2 people. Yeah, the teaser of Cherry on Top Music. Teaser! Oh yeah. Alam ko na unsa. Gusto na rin makapanood.
Ay, naku! Ay, naku! Tapan ko lang tong yogurt ko. Nangungulila na kami sa'yo. Ano ba yung nangungulila? Ay na! Ay, ayaw na tumigil. I have to make laba. I have to make laba some of my I have to make laba and linas. Kahit binabardan niya ako minsan. Maghaponan ka na, what's that?
They should exact that if it's Malinaw, these glasses on you, that means this is your grado, okay? Okay, sis.
I'm sorry, I have utang pala. You want me to post a video of him making arte? Padudukduk lang muna ako. What's sumipon? Sample pyramid? Ah! Nako! Gusto niyo bang masiraan ng tenga? Ano ba tawag? I'm gonna switch to chinelas. Okay, I will make kwento. Lagi niyang gusto na sa paa ko siya. Ay, paa niya ako, ha? Ano ba? I'm so dugyot. Stop! Ang papansin mo. Huwag ka muna. I just feel like there's something kulang.
I need to gupit this. It's disgusting. Tapos feeling ko lumabo ulit mata ko. But wait. When I had it checked, bumaba siya. It's your chance to get budol next. I broke my bone here because I fell from the duyan. Lagi lutang minsan. Now you make tabingi again. You look tired na pala. Isa ka pa, buraot ka din. What's buraot? Pico. Siyempre natry ko na yung Pico. Pico or Pico? You make nood in Twitter na lang the screen recordings of the blooms, okay ha? It's not Kasha. Yung pagkakulit niya is because papansin siya. Huwag sumbong naman yun. Ay, wala yung sumbong yun. Hey, can I pabukas the mic or bawal? Can I make pabukas? Bitaw! Bitaw! Ano yung maruya? Abay, masusunto ko kayo sobrang mahal-mahal nun. Wait lang, kalmahan nyo lang. Abangan nyo yan. Ano yung tukneneng? Ano yung tukneneng? We're just gonna sing and a bit of kalokohan and a bit of usap, okay? Tama na! Ano ba? Galgal nyo eh!
You know, I don't eat like leaves, right? So I was like, oh my god, why is this full of flowers? So parang, I was very hesitant to eat it. So parang, hindi po ako kambing, pero sure. So yeah, and then, ayun, when I tried it, I tried it immediately. When I say immediately, like, I chumped it. When the server said, if you eat the flower on top, it tastes like an Indian mango. Tapos I was like, huh? How is that possible? A flower that tastes like Indian mango. Tapos, ayun, I immediately took it and then I tasted it without any hesitation. Tapos, as you know, I was like chewing it and I was like, it tastes like Indian mango. Like, no joke. I was like, how is this possible? What kind of sorcery is this? A flower that tastes like Indian mango. As in, it's so cool. Not joke. I'm not exaggerating. You know me. I don't like to eat vegetables, especially flowers. Just go. Do you think I would pick a flower and just eat it? No. I don't even eat vegetables. I don't even eat leaf. How much more pag flower, di ba? Even though I can buy myself flowers. I can buy myself flowers, but I don't eat some flowers. Yeah, but yeah, it's so cool. Yeah.